Hi guys, hope everyone is doing well. Today I will be doing a gel polish swatch by igel Beauty. This color is 205 Aim to Please. This is my very first video, so guys, please bear with me. I'm hoping that I showed you guys everything that you wanted to see in the video. If not, please put it in the comments. I love the feedback so that my next video will be so much better. Hope you guys enjoy this quick, fast, to the point video. I will be doing more colors coming up soon. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at PressMyNailsJazz and talk to me in the comments.